Greetings of the day and welcome back to your English grammar class. Chapter 7 Pronouns. Part 2 we'll be learning demonstrative pronouns, interrogative pronouns, relative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns. Let's read the following sentences. This is my pencil. These are my books. That is my house. Those are your books. Such were his actual words. Look yonder and see the hill. Here the words like this, that, these, those, such and yonder are used to point out the object or objects for which they are used. As we have already learnt, plural nouns of this and that is these and those. Moreover, this and those refer to things which are near at hand, and that and those refer to things lying at a distance. Hence, demonstrative pronouns are words that used to point out people or things they stand for. But we have to remember, this and that may be used sometimes to refer to all that was said before. Example, the priest gave an enlightening speech. Many people did not like that. Here, that refers to the speech. The words this, that, these, those, such and yonder can be used both as demonstrative pronouns and demonstrative adjectives. Examine the words in the following sentences. This is my book. Here, this stands for the noun book. Therefore, it is a pronoun. Second, this book is mine. Here, this qualifies the noun book. Therefore, it is an adjective. Therefore, we should remember that a pronoun replaces a noun, whereas an adjective is usually placed just before the noun it qualifies. These are woolen gloves. Here, these stands for the noun gloves. Now, let's see the second one. These gloves are woolen. It is demonstrative adjective because it is qualifying the noun gloves. Now, let's understand interrogative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns are WH family words used for asking questions, and they are as follows. Who, whom, when, whose are used for asking questions about persons. What, when, whose used for asking question about things. Which used when the person who answers has to make a choice among the different possibilities. Let's understand it with some examples. Who saved the drowning child? Whom do you want to meet? When is the next performance? Whose was the article published? What does a mouse do with its sharp teeth? Which of these sweets do you want? The point to be noted here is the WH questions words what, which and whose can be used as interrogative adjectives also. Examples, what is the date today? Interrogative pronoun. What date she arrive on? It is interrogative adjective. Which is the winning team? It is interrogative pronoun. Which team won the match? Interrogative adjective. Whose is this book? It is interrogative pronoun. And whose book is this? It is interrogative adjective. Here also the same rule applies as we have studied for demonstrative pronouns and demonstrative adjective. Hence, it is clear that when the WH word is used in place of noun, it is an interrogative pronoun, and when it is used before a noun, it is an interrogative adjective. Now, let's understand relative pronouns. Relative pronouns are used to join sentences to refer back to a noun or pronoun called its antecedent, and also to introduce noun clauses or relative clauses. Words like who, whom, whose, which and that are used as relative pronouns. We have to remember, as a rule, we use who and whom with the people, which with things, and that can be used with both people and things. Let's understand this with some examples. The boy who stole his wallet ran away. Mrs. Sharma, whom I met, is my neighbor. This is the child whose parents are missing. Desperate Remedies, which is a famous novel, is my favorite. Here are the colors that you wanted. In these sentences, the words who, whom, whose, which and that have been used as relative pronouns. We have to make a note here that the noun to which a relative pronoun refers back is its antecedent. The boy in the first sentence is the antecedent of relative pronoun who. Likewise, Mrs. Sharma is the antecedent of the relative pronoun whom in the second sentence. Similarly, the words desperate remedies and colors are the antecedent of the relative pronoun which and that respectively. Hence, in other words, if any of the WH family words who, whom, which, whose or the words that is used in the middle of the sentence to refer to some already mentioned noun, it is called a relative pronoun. So, a relative pronoun relates a noun to a group of words that follow. Students, we'll learn reflexive and emphatic pronouns in the next class. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy.